You're welcome. Here is another project, Matchmaker Matrimonial. It's a VB.NET project demo. In this demo, we'll show you like how we can do this project, what are the things are there, and how to execute this project in Visual Studio, that is 2019, and lot more actually. So if you're a student, need to do a project in VB.NET, so this video is really definitely helpful. So watch the video till end and learn like how to make the matrimonial project. So matrimonial project is basically to search the girl or the boy. To search girl or a boy. So this is the offline project. So offline means it's where user has to come to the matrimonial service center. There they can register and they can search, they can do all these activities. Therefore it is a offline or what you call as a desktop application. So it is a desktop application. Unless like an online application, whereas in online applications user can do the activities sitting at their home or wherever the internet connection is available via mobile or via system. Whereas in case of offline project, so user has to come to this office. There they need to register and they need to make the payment and then do all the activities. So this project basically for the matchmaker service providers. Matchmaker service providers. So what they do is generally they'll have offers. So people who are interested in this service, they need to go to this place. They can register the boy or girl and they can ask for the search like for this particular boy or girl. So what is a suitable match? Suitable match. So that they can search from their database and they can give the result. The same is done in this project. I'll demonstrate and I'll show you this project for you. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So just go to browser and YouTube. Okay, presently it's not working here. Okay, so let's move to the Visual Studio. So here is a Visual Studio 2019. So this is Visual Studio. It is a community edition. Community edition is a free edition. You can always download community edition and you can work in this particular edition. And here we already opened the project. This is a matrimonial administration. You can see the form names here. So these are different forms which are there in this particular project. I'll just show you like how to connect to the database. Here is a data connections and this is a server explorer. If you don't know where is the server explorer, please go to view menu and then choose server explorer and then choose data connections and then right click here and then select add connection and then you need to browse here. Then you have to go to bin folder, debug folder and then you have to select the, okay, so this is a different folder, okay. Fine. So here I can go to matrimonial. Let's go to bin, debug, matchmaker, data. So this is in this particular folder. Okay. So the matrimonial administration in that bin folder, in that debug folder. Here is the database. You have to open that. So once it's open, you can able to see it's connected here. And if you expand tables, you can able to see the tables. And this member tab is very important table where all the member like no girl or boy details will be stored in this member table. Fee table is to collect the fees from the this member, and apart from this is the basic entry tables, destination, district, qualification, state, all of the basic details, right. So we can store basic details in these 4 tables. I'll just run the project and I'll demonstrate for you. So if you run the project, you can see that you get a welcome screen first. So it is a matchmaker. You can change this picture and you can modify whatever way you want. So you can also do the picture in paint and then we can call that picture. And then it's a login form. So here you can log in with admin. And if you give the wrong password, the system will tell please enter the correct password. So admin, right? So it logs in now. So if you go to master entries, here are the 4 master entries. One is the statements. What are the states you covering? So that 4 state names can be entered here. So let's say I'll put Tamil Nadu. right. So this was the one data again added here. When you click here again on this text in the list, so you can see the data comes back, and your modify and delete button both are enabled. And here we not change the background color, but you can change the background color very easily. That is not too difficult. Next one is the district names. So same as a state names, you can enter the district name also. So you can click new, select the state name, and then enter the district name. Let's enter Mysore. So this is Mysore district, and then you can save this, and you can write more about in real time this particular district. So qualification name, same way, the qualifications, and then profession. What are the profession of the user, like a member? This is the important one. Where is the registration? So when you have a registration, you have to enter the applicant name. So let's say Suma, parent name Ramu, and boy or girl. So you can choose as a girl. And what is the date of birth? So you can change the date of birth here in the year. It's in year. So you can see that when you change the year, automatically age will be calculated. So you should learn like how to calculate the age. So if you want to know like how to calculate, we can come back to the coding, and here is the applicant form. So and if you go to the coding section of this, so here is the code. So you can see that when the value changes, what we have written is the date difference. There is a function called as a date difference. So it take two interval. Interval is a year, and b date is the what are the date we are selecting, and the current date. This is the current date. So the difference between these two date interval of year will be go to the text box 4, right? Anyway, it's a single line code, but we should know like how to write this. Then only we can able to get the age year, right? So once it's filled, then you can go to next step. Here you can have applicant number and the name, and then what is the state they belongs to, and what is the district they belongs to, and what is the pin code over there. So that we need to enter 60123, and what is the taluk name that you have to enter. Then door number and all we can enter it here. So when we go to next, so here is the marital status, bachelor, education qualification, BCA, any professions. So the professions which already enter here, that will come over there. Therefore you need to enter more profession in this particular form. You can see that that will be replicated over here. So annual income, so it may be 1 to 5 lakh rupees. And next here is a caste. Actually we are not enter any caste, so therefore we can enter straight away here. And there is also called a subcaste. Next one is a religion. So in case of religion, it's a Hindu. There is a Rashi and Nakshatra. If you know that, that you can enter. So this complete one user details. So then for this registration service, for this service we can collect the money from them. So this is Suma. Then we charge you 2000 rupees. So membership fee. So save. So therefore the money is collected from her. Here is a search actually. So let's say they want boy actually. So with 22 plus or minus, and you can see that there is one boy profile is matching here. So that is a Arun. And there is a print option here. So we'll show the print. So what is this boy name? What is the date of birth? What they do? All will be there here. That printout we can give to that girl. Next is the reports. In case of reports, we have a boys list. Overall the boys registered with us. That list is available. We can take the printout here. And then girls list. There is a complete girl list will come here. And then fee collection list. This is important. So you can see that today what are the money collected? 22 December 2022, 22 December. So when you click display, it will show the list, and when you say print, it will be printed. Fine. So this is the things which will be there in this project. Hope you understand now, like what all we can add into the project. So this project we can write it in VB.NET. You can write in C#, you can write it in Java, you can write it in Android. All options are very much open. So therefore plan it like where, in which language you would like to write. And in case you wish to buy this project, please contact us. So the information is available in the description. Please check in the descriptions. Also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.